One of the main challenges that I had to face, starting off in the music industry, was access. It was so difficult trying to get noticed and get the right people to see your music. I had the song Elephant Shoes. It was my first song. I had it mixed and mastered by a guy in Mitchell's Plain, made some copies on a CD, and then wrote about myself in third person. And I was like, Jimmy Nevis is this new kid on the block. You must check out his music. He's amazing. And my friend and I, we drove to all the Cape Town radio stations and we dropped off this package, hoping that it would land in the right hands. Other challenges just for that time, social media wasn't what it is today, I think. And, that time there was no like fiber either. It was just dial up. You had to hear that crazy sound every time you want to do anything. Campaigns like My Community Connects, Fiber, Vuma, these type of resources weren't available on hand. So you really had to work hard just to kind of get your foot in the door. I also had this makeshift studio, which was just my cupboard, really. As much foam, any type of packaging I could find, and I stuck it in just to create a nice little sound booth effect. Yeah, during that time, I was at varsity. I was a full-time student in my second year. I remember I'd go to bed at like 12 p.m. and I'd wake up at 4 a.m. so I can do some extra recording before I go to varsity. So, it's just interesting, all the challenges that presented itself, but I used every resource that was available to me. And it's something that I encourage a lot of young people to do these days. You should use whatever resources you have. You'd literally have it at your fingertips on your cell phones. And it's so easy, I think we have so much talent and it's an amazing time to be a creative.